You can enjoy a quick closing with our rehabilitation loans. Rehab loans are tailored for the real estate investor who wants to make repairs before selling the property. Using the property as collateral, funds are available for short-term residential renovation projects that most traditional banks and credit unions won't approve. Authorized monies will be held in escrow and released in draws as your contractors complete renovations. If you are an experienced real estate flipper, you can be approved for up to 100% of your project costs with our house rehab financing. You can obtain the money you need to renovate your property so you can maximize your cash flow. You can use the property as collateral and can be approved for a loan up to 65% of the home's value. Your loan typically offers a loan term of about 6 months and a low interest rate, commonly under 10%, and you will not incur any type of prepayment penalty if you pay off the loan early. This makes it easy for you to quickly sell your rehabilitated property once repairs are complete. Your new loan will take first mortgage position for the subject property. Only non-owner occupied properties can qualify for our house rehab financing. You can obtain financing for residential 1 through 4 unity properties and even small apartments and condo conversions by exception. All house rehab financing loans range from $25,000 and higher. Lenders will want to see that you have a credit score of at least 660 and that you have no derogatory items on your credit report within the last 12 months and no judgments or collections in unpaid status or any bankruptcies. To be approved, underwriting will need to review your 3 most recent bank statements and 3 most recent pay stubs. You will also be asked to provide at least 2 years of tax returns. You should also have a home inspection and pictures of the subject property for underwriting review and approval. 100% of renovation funds are typically advanced in 1 to 4 draws. Once the inspector certifies work is done, funds are wired within 24 hours directly to your account. If you are an investor who flips properties, our house rehab financing can get you the money you need to easily conduct business with our house rehab financing. Contact us today to get financing for your next project.